What is up, you guys? It's Kat. Welcome back to my channel. Myself, as well as a ton of other YouTubers that I've watched, have talked about the 10-minute tidy before, where you set a timer for 10 minutes and then you do as much cleaning as you possibly can. You try and race yourself. So I thought it would be fun to start a series of like 10-minute tidy with me. And obviously I have so many clean with me's on my channel, which you could just watch those instead. But with this series, I thought it would be fun where like, I'll have a timer so then you know exactly when to start your cleaning, and then throughout the video, obviously there'll be like fun music. I'll share different thoughts that I'm having in the voiceover and stuff, but then I'll make little notes of like, hey, you got 5 minutes left, or you got a minute left, pick up that last thing, or things like that. And then at the very end, it'll be like, okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I don't know why I felt the need to finish that countdown. So then anytime that you want to do a 10-minute tidy, you can just go back to the video and we can clean together. And then I think it'll be fun if I do like longer versions of this. And then throughout the video, I can give you all little like bursts of motivation, and we have fun songs, and it's like, all right, you guys, we're halfway there. Obviously today's video is only 10 minutes, so it's not going to be as dragged out. I just wanted to run the idea by y'all if you wanted this to become a series where I do longer spans of clean with me's like this. Especially if it's like an hour-long clean and declutter with me, which I think I may do that coming up. I think that would be fun. Let me know if you'd want to see that. I want you to get as much done as you possibly can within these 10 minutes. You are going to feel so grateful and happy with yourself and inspired and motivated once you clean your space. Even if after the 10 minutes you just lie back down on your couch, you're going to feel so happy that you got something done, and your space is going to feel nicer than it does in this moment right now. All right, with all of that being said, I'm going to stop rambling because you have cleaning to do. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so as you can see, we're starting in the kitchen, and then we're gonna make our way to my bedroom, the living room, and then the office. Now, regardless of what room you're cleaning, if you're finding it difficult to get going and you have a ton of stuff all over the place, I want you to try the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 method, which is where you pick up an item, put it away, that's 1, pick up another item, put it away, that's 2, and so on and so forth until you get to 5. And this is so effective for me because I find that it simplifies the cleaning process and putting clutter away process, and that way you're just focusing on one item at a time. And typically once I get to 5, I just restart it, and I end up doing the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 method like until everything is just put away. So I highly recommend this if you're finding it difficult to get moving. Now, while you're cleaning, I want you to take a second to give yourself a huge amount of credit for getting started. Whenever you're trying to accomplish something that's challenging or overwhelming, the hardest part by far is getting started, and you've made that jump. You've already gotten started. You've started your cleaning or organizing, decluttering, whatever it is that you're doing for 10 minutes today, and that is something to be proud of, and you are going to be so happy with yourself after the 10 minutes are up and you have a whole bunch of cleaning done. And definitely one of my biggest tips when you're trying to motivate yourself to clean and you just do not feel like it is to remind yourself of how great it's going to feel once your space is done and everything is put away and looking fresh. For me, I love wiping down my countertops. I feel like I've said that a million times, nothing new. Not to sound cliche, but it does bring me so much joy, and I find that my kitchen or whatever space I'm cleaning feels that much fresher once it's done. So when I really don't feel like cleaning, I remind myself of how great it's going to feel when I wipe down those counters, when I put my final pillows on the bed and it's all made. And the satisfaction of having your home be totally put together is really, really motivating, and 9 times out of 10, it gets me moving. I wanted to share one of my favorite quotes about success with y'all because I think it not only applies to cleaning and keeping your home organized, but also any goal you have in your life and anything that you're working towards. So the quote is, "Motivation gets you going, but discipline keeps you growing." I think it's really easy to get stuck in that, oh, but I'm not motivated, I'm going to try and find motivation, or I'm going to wait till I'm motivated. But at the end of the day, you are never going to feel motivated all the time, whether it is with cleaning or with your job or with school or with the gym or eating healthy. Motivation is going to come and it's going to go, but the only way that you're going to be successful with what you're trying to achieve is by staying disciplined and doing the things you know you have to do, even if you don't necessarily feel like doing them in the moment. All right, guys, we are halfway there. You've been cleaning for 5 minutes. We have 5 more minutes to go, and then this 10-minute tidy is done. If you are going to continue cleaning after this, you know, you've been getting your stuff done, you're feeling motivated, you feel that momentum building, and you think you're going to keep going after this 10 minutes, that is awesome. I will have my entire Clean With Me playlist linked at the end so you can, you know, we can keep cleaning together. But if you don't and you are satisfied with the cleaning you've done, or maybe you have other stuff you have to go get to, that is amazing. I am so proud of you for going through this. I'm so happy that you chose to do your cleaning with me and that you chose to watch my video while cleaning. But for right now, you're doing great. We got 5 more minutes. Well, now a little less than 5 more minutes. So let's keep cleaning. And for some reason, I find anytime I'm trying to make the couch, Callie is always bundled up in a little ball, but she's very chill about letting me move her. Let me know in the comments if you do have a dog. Is your dog allowed on the couch or the bed? Clearly, as you can tell from my videos, that it's more like me hanging out on Callie's couch and Callie's bed. Hard to high five? Oh, thank you. Also, yes, I'm very disappointed. The picture of Callie actually fell. The command strips, I guess, weren't strong enough and the frame broke. So now I have to get a whole new frame. I'm hoping, I got those frames like 2 years ago. So I hope Walmart still has another one, but if not, I'll have to buy 2 new frames. So it's just tricky up there for now. Two random side notes. I did order a new beauty blender. I've had that one for like a year. I do wash it like every other time I use it. I don't know if that's normal or what, but I do. But I did order a new one. And then this, I love this. I got it off of Amazon. I'll have it linked in the description. It's like a bamboo makeup spinner. Really like this. What are you doing? What are you doing? Look at her little underbite. Is that not the cutest little thing? All right, one more minute of cleaning to do. You got time for a few more rounds of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 method if you're still putting random stuff away, or if you're wiping stuff down, you're vacuuming, you are mopping, whatever it is that you're doing. We got one more minute left. Like I said, if you do want to keep cleaning, I'll have my entire Clean With Me playlist linked after this. And don't forget to let me know in the comments if you do want to see that hour-long Clean With Me. That sounds like a lot of cleaning and organizing, but it'll be good for me, and then hopefully it will help y'all out to keep you motivated to do a bigger organization or cleaning project as well. And that is it. 10 minutes are up. Congratulations. You have finished your 10-minute tidy for today. If you watch until this part, comment 10-minute tidy complete. That's not very creative, but I feel like it's fitting for this video. And also let me know in your comment what space you cleaned or organized for your 10-minute tidy today. And if you did do this 10-minute tidy with me and you wanted to share what your clean space looks like with me, I would so love to see that. My Instagram is just @itsKatherine_May, so you can DM me a picture. I would love to see what you did. I am so happy that I finally got that done. I hope you are feeling happy that you got your 10 minutes of cleaning done. If you do want to keep cleaning and you want more, like you're in the rhythm, you feel like you can keep going, I'll have my entire Clean With Me playlist linked above me, so you can go check that out. And I think that's about it. So I love y'all so much, and I will see you in my next video.